Might seem a bit strange, but we're going on tour today. We're leaving the unit. We're going to take the car to get a wheel alignment done. So we're going to try and load it up onto the trailer, which is always a challenge because the front of the car's too low and the trailer's too steep. We're going to take it to get some proper alignment done in preparation for some testing coming soon. We've got just about enough clearance to get on. It's snug, it's a big trailer this, but the car still doesn't like to go on. Right, let's see if we can get her on and strapped on. I've got to be there quite soon. Alright, that ain't going nowhere. She's good. So we've successfully made it. It snowed on the way here, but we've come to BRW Performance. And BRW have always looked after me when it comes to this sort of stuff. They've got some proper cool metal kicking about. Renault 5. Do you want to push with that? Who's this daft thing?
Jones.
But the reason that we've come here is to get the car aligned on the ramp. So Nathan's going to help us. He's getting the gear set up. Wave to the internet, Nath. There's some interesting noises coming out of the car when I try and drive it, but we'll diagnose those later. First things first, let's get the wheels pointing in the right direction. Right, we've just got the front pretty much finished up. Oh wait, I can't show the specs. Competitors might see it. Nathan managed to get the camber perfect on his first try because he's a spawny bastard. Took me 3 tries to get it nearly right, and nearly's good enough for me because I can't be asked to do it again. Because I didn't cut the big holes in the top like Josh did, I've had to take the wheel off, drop the suspension down, the whole shebang, just to get a bit of adjustment. We're now within 0.15 of a degree of negative camber, which will do me fine. We're going to get everything nipped up, get the car back on the trailer and take it home. Nathan's just said to me, do you have any useless party tricks? And he says, oh, I do. Rode the quad about on 2 wheels for about 100 metres. We're out at the unit again and we've arrived at HSP. The car is apparently too low to go on the dyno, but we'll find out. See what the plan is. Apparently it's too stanced out. The aim of the game today is to get some maps for the car so that we can race it in hot hatch class A. We've weighed it up. We've got spare wheels. Hey, they're nicer than mine. Oh, they should lift it right up, shouldn't they? We had to take the front bumper off to hopefully make it easier to strap it down and put some big wheels on so we don't smash the sump off. The clutch is pretty much right at the top, isn't it?
Yeah, bump it on there and it'll pull over a bit.
Clearance to the roller. About that much. Keel. It's got about that much there to the sump.
Is that?
Is that enough, like?
Probably a lot closer than that.
Alright. Alright, we'll be alright then, eh? Here.
Hello.
We managed to get it working on the rollers, but it's now spinning the tyres up. It's pretty smoky. Done a lot of runs. Just trying to get some sauce into it now, see what it can do. We've got the tune ready for what we actually need for the racing. Obviously that's not everything the car's got. So I have asked if they can just do me one with a little bit more sauce for if we're not racing, just for if we're on a track day. But yeah, it's late now. It's 10 past 10. They've had to take a lot of resistance off the rollers because it just kept spinning the tyres. Not because of how powerful the car is, but because of all the camber on the front of the car. So you can see not much of a contact patch